All right. Happy election day, everybody. I hope you all got out and voted. And this should be an exciting time in the market because without a doubt, I do not believe the results of the election matter on how the market is going to behave. It's more of the markets are uncertain right now and in a risk-off state. And remember, risk-off doesn't mean bearish. It just means that nobody is looking to take on risk right now. And then once the election is over with and we see who won, it does not matter who won. The certainty will now be there. And I do believe the market will like that. So one of my favorite trades, as you know, if you've been following me, is obviously Bitcoin. And I did say we would likely get this pullback retest from the breakout. You could see we nailed the last projection absolutely perfectly. We had some profit taking after we got a little bit overextended. And now we are seeing high volume buying yet again as we bounce off of the support for the next higher low on our path higher towards 75,000 and then 80,000. So this trade is looking very solid. And this is going to be one of those trades that you will want to accumulate for longer term because I do believe we can go a lot higher on this trade. And there are a ton of trades right now that I think are at very low risk entries with very high reward. And I am posting all of those swing trade ideas in my Discord server. So if you are interested and you are a swing trader, now is the best time to be in the Discord server to see all of those swing trades and get those low risk entries. So watch Bitcoin very closely here with the high volume buying off of the retest of the breakout between 68 and 69,000. We do have the potential for a very impulsive rally off of this higher low. On the S&P 500, we are getting a very nice impulsive bounce with a very bullish candle from high to low. Had a very strong day of buyers off of the rising daily 50 EMA. And as I said last week, I am looking for a bounce off of this level to fill the gap above 579. And then from there, there's a very good chance we are going for another all-time high. So watch 579 very closely. If we continue higher from there, we're looking for a brand new all-time high at 593. If we fill the gap and get rejected, watch that support and risk level down here at 568, which is the rising daily 50 EMA. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we had another bullish day today going up 1.28% with a confirmation bounce off of the rising daily 50 EMA, just like we did on SPY. We're back above 490 and we have the gap to fill above 495. On the triple Qs, I think there's a good chance we go all the way up to a brand new all-time high at 510 and higher. And all we have to do is just hold above the daily 50 EMA, which is that support right around 484. So you have very clear risk levels. This is still a bull market and a bull trend, and the election is about to be in the rearview mirror. So make sure you have a disciplined approach and you are following a trade plan, and always manage risk around the risk levels. It is very important during this election to just block out noise and follow charts. Do not listen to anybody who says if this candidate wins, this will happen, and if that candidate wins, this will happen. That is all noise and that is all BS. Nobody has any clue in the world what is going to happen. That is why we read the chart and follow what the chart is saying. Right now, the chart is saying we're bouncing off of a daily 50 EMA within a bull trend and a bull market, and that is all you need to know to properly trade this market. So if you want access to all of my technical analysis, my intraday updates, and my swing trade ideas, those are all in the Discord server. And as I said before, this is the best time to join the Discord server if you are a swing trader, because there are lots of great low risk entries with very high reward that will take you well into the end of the year. You can find out how to join my Discord server by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.